ran from near and far, that he was faster than a car. Oh yes, one time there was a very speedy hare. The plucky tortoise said to Hare, let's have a race. The plucky tortoise said to Hare, let's have a race. If you're so fast in running shoes, then there's no way that you can lose. Oh yes, the tortoise said to Hare, let's have a race. Fast and slow, fast and slow, who will win? Let's watch them go down the road, around the tree. Who will win? Just wait and see. All the animals came down to see them run. All the animals came down to see them run. Without a bell the race began, and fast away the quick hare ran. Oh yes, the animals came down to see them run. The lagging tortoise very slowly crawled along. The lagging tortoise very slowly crawled along. Since the hare so quickly sped, he had by now run far ahead. Oh yes, the tortoise very slowly crawled along. Fast and slow, fast and slow, who will win? Let's watch them go down the road, around the tree. Who will win? Just wait and see. The speedy hare felt very sure that he would win. The speedy hare felt very sure that he would win. Since he thought he couldn't lose, he lay right down to take a snooze. Oh yes, the hare felt very sure that he would win. The little tortoise kept on inching down the road. The little tortoise kept on inching down the road. He passed by the sleeping hare, who kept on snoring unaware. Oh yes, the tortoise kept on inching down the road. Fast and slow, fast and slow, who will win? Let's watch them go down the road, around the tree. Who will win? Just wait and see. Determined tortoise nearly reached the finish line. Determined tortoise nearly reached the finish line. Determined tortoise nearly reached the finish line. The sleepy hare woke up and ran as fast as speedy quick hares can.